Sir Mark, natapos ko na pala yung static na pinapagawa mo. Pakicheck na lang para ma-schedule post natin by next week.
Post mo lang, bahala na.
At first, it sounds very simple, right? Just post, just show up, just upload anything. But here's the truth. Posting randomly is not a strategy. Consistency without direction is just a noise. Sabihin na natin na araw-araw ka nagpo-post. You can post every single day, pero wala pa ring inquiries. Ang baba ng engagement at wala ka pa ring benta. Mapapakanta ka na lang ng because content without intention will never, ever, 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 ever convert. You know why? Kasi dapat ang post mo or ang content mo ay merong purpose, may intention. So, meron tayong tatlong intention na kailangan kunin when we're doing a content. So, first, we need to attract. Next, we need to connect with the audience or the viewers. And third, doon pa lang tayo magkaka-convert. So, we have A, C, C. Attract, connect, and convert. Social media management kasi is not just about being active. It's about being strategic kung ano ipopost mo sa account ng client mo. Pag gumagawa ka ng strategy para sa kanila, dapat alam mo kung ano yung mga ipopost. Sino yung mga kausap mo dito sa post na to or sa video reels na to, at ano yung intention, ano yung message na gusto mong ibigay sa kanila. And after all of that, dapat yung delivery mo is ayon din doon sa business or niche nung client mo. And the most important when doing a content or a video reels is the call to action. Huwag mong kakalimutan yun kasi without that, wala nang susunod na gagawin ang viewers mo. If you're doing an affiliate, huwag ka rin maniwala na post-post lang ang affiliate because it also needs a strategy para makabenta ka sa TikTok. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this and follow me for more.